This is the Nutribullet I was telling you guys about. I upgraded. It's called Nutribullet RX. Yo, this thing is good. I am not kidding you. This is, oh my God. The Nutribullet that I used to get when it first came out, it was just the individual or something, maybe 1 or 2 extra containers. And I've used that. I think I've purchased 3 different ones over the years. But this time I say I want to upgrade because I also have a business that I do. Blend some stuff and ship to customers. Oh, this thing is awesome. I have I call it my immune boosts, and I put a few of those ingredients like ginger and some other stuff. That stuff was smooth. You know, like mashed potato. If you take mashed potato and put it in water, you see how smooth and creamy. That's how it came out. I was like, oh my goodness, this is well worth the investment. I love it. I know this is about Nama juicer. Well, I don't compare it to you. What you say? We'll be back. Right back. You hear Angel in the background, right? She's supposed to be here. Angel, aren't you supposed to be here as my assistant? When I say lights, camera, action, cut, paste. Get over here. Come here right now. Come say hi to the people. Hurry up. Hurry up, baby. Miss Angel. Come on. Hurry up. There's Miss Angel. Say hi to the camera. No, I didn't say don't speak to me. Speak to the people. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. My name is Miss Angel. Oh, and I have my own channel. It's called Angel the Palm. You ready? Okay, thank you. Is that how you greet the people? Or you tell them to go subscribe to your channel, right? Please make sure you do that, because if you don't, she won't be your friend. But if you do, she's going to harass you with kisses. Right, Angel? All right. Thank you. See you guys. I'm making some smoothies up in here, you guys. Making some nice smoothies. Get the ingredients up in here. Yes, see? These are my ingredients. These are my ingredients. Yum, 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 yum. Blender. And this is my Nutribullet RX. I love this machine. This is great. Ooh, it's smooth. It's so powerful. Anyway, I'm about to make me some smoothie. I also made some juice for this recipe. I have spinach, cilantro, parsley, mint, basil. I think that's all that's in there. Just all grains. No cucumber, no celery. I'm going to blend. I put some little bit of water and I squeeze a little bit of pure raw honey. Yeah, squeeze a little bit of pure raw natural honey from my local farmer's market. I squeeze it in here with some water. I'm about to hit blend. Don't that look good? Here's the finishing products. The yellow looking juice. This was actually juice made in the Nama juicer. The green stuff, I just blended them as smoothie in my Nutribullet. So I only have 2, 4, 6 bottles. That's about 2 days supplies of juice. So I have to get some more supplies and make more juice. I'm about to make me some natural homemade vitamin C. It's all orange or oranges. For all you grandma police out there, thank you. Yes, I left the skin on, but I washed the skin properly. And to do that, you have to soak the oranges in a nice bowl of warm water in your sink. Let the water fill. Put the oranges in there with the skin on. Sprinkle about a tablespoon of baking soda and about half a cup of apple cider vinegar with the warm water. Let it sit there for 10 minutes or so, at least 10 minutes or more, 10 to 15 minutes. Let it soak. Rinse it out nice and clean, and then rinse it out twice with some regular warm water, and then slice them, put them in your blender and blend it. The reason why you do that is to use the purpose of the apple cider vinegar and baking soda is to clean the skin properly, to make sure there's nothing there as best as you can clean it. But I use that process to also clean and wash any vegetables, even my leafy vegetables, apples, anything I'm going to juice or blend. I clean them like that to make sure they are cleaned properly. All right, I'll be right back. This is what it looks like. The orange juice I just blended in the Nutribullet. This is what it looks like. Skin, grind, and seed, and blend everything. So little, have a slight little bitter taste. I like it, kind of thick and creamy. Now, what I'm going to do is, I won't recommend this for everybody, but those expert, professional juicer and hardcore vegan, natural people, they will understand this and they will appreciate something like this. If you're the beginner, I won't advise you to do this. Now, at intend I will take like 2 or 3 teaspoons of this, put it in my juice or my other smoothie, shake it and drink it. That's my vitamin C dose for the day. Or I can just take this and drink 3 or 4 tablespoons like that. Or mix it with a juice or smoothie. But that's your dose of vitamin C right there.